Do you feel anxious when thinking about AI? Join me in this guided journaling session to help you overcome AI anxiety. Welcome to the Peppy channel, your Heartflix. I'm Peppy, your life coach. Today we are gonna have a guided journaling session. Journaling is great to explore your feelings and to manage anxiety. There are no right or wrong answers. This is your place to reflect, to understand, and to grow. You just need a pen, and if you are like me, some highlighters. You can actually choose any type of notebook. However, I recommend to use cute ones, like this one, my favorite, or this one, or this one. Why? Using cute notebooks will make them stand out, and you will remember to journal. If there is any prompt that you don't feel comfortable with, please skip the prompt. If you need more time to write than the one that I give you in this video, just pause it. Remember, on July 15th, my new book of How to Overcome AI Anxiety releases on Amazon. You have all the details in the description below. Let's start. How do you currently feel about AI and its impact on your work life? Take a moment to consider how you feel about AI. Are you feeling anxious, excited? You cannot actually pinpoint the feeling. Write about these emotions. Try to discover what's the trigger. What are your concerns about AI? This is the time to express your fears around it. Are you worried about your job security? What is the part of AI that feels intimidating for you? Perhaps, is it confusing? Try to identify any gaps in your understanding which could be contributing to your anxiety. What opportunities could AI present in your field of work? Remember, nothing is purely positive or purely negative. While AI might have some challenges, it also has some perks. Reflect on all the possibilities. How could AI improve your job? Could it automate things that you don't like? Could you have more time for strategic or creative work? Could it open new interesting roles for you? What steps can you take to better understand AI and its implications? Let's focus on actionable steps. What can you do right now to understand AI better? Maybe take an online course? It's coming soon, by the way. More information down in description. Could you read up on the latest AI trends? List down the steps. How can you reskill or upskill to adapt to AI changes? Change is scary, but it's also an opportunity for growth. Consider how you can adapt to AI. What new skills would be beneficial for you? What training resources are available to you? Imagine a future where AI and humans coexist in the workplace. What does this future look like? Take a moment and visualize the future. Imagine a scenario where AI and humans work together in harmony. What roles are you doing? What roles is the AI doing? How has AI improved your life? Now, take time for reflection. Take 10 minutes and read all your answers. AI is just a tool, and the impact that it will have will highly depend on us. It's perfectly okay to have concerns about AI. It's okay to feel fear about the unknown, about the future. But we can always learn to focus on what we can control. We can learn, we can adapt, and we can shape our future. I encourage you to revisit these prompts again within a month or a month and a half and see what has changed in your heart. If you like this guided journaling session, please let me know in comments what topic you would like me to talk about the next time. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers when we're journaling. Choose a cute journal and stick around.